I'm on a mission to have people not make the mistake that I did, thinking that you are somehow biologically immune to this, that just because you think you're smart or you know someone that you're not going to, or you think you eat healthy and you're not exposed to toxins, that your biology can somehow not be impacted by this. And I want to tell you that is a delusion, an absolute delusion. You are damaging yourself. There's no way around it unless you remediate with some of these strategies we're going to talk about. And you might be doing them and even not knowing it, because if you don't know the mechanism, you can't remediate. What is microwave radiation? I didn't expand on this. We'll go back to the mechanism. Your microwave oven, obviously, we talked about. Your cell phone, obviously. Your cell phone tower. Your Bluetooth headset. Any Bluetooth device. Any IoT, the Internet of Things. Your baby monitor.
Yeah,
your Wi-Fi router, probably the biggest and most pernicious thing. Yeah, this is going to be criminal. Yeah. They're going to look back at this as like we look at smoking now. Baby monitor, the most sensitive tissue, brains, they're exposing to this Wi-Fi. So you've got all this damage, and this damage, what will it do? It will cause single and double-stranded breaks in the DNA, in the mitochondria, in the nucleus. It decimates cell membranes and proteins. I mean, it's basically accelerating aging on steroids when you have EMF. In most cases, the microwave radiation exposure is more dangerous than X-rays.
Interesting.
More dangerous than X-rays.
Because of the oxidative stress it creates.
Yes, it's the oxidative stress.
The important point for listeners is just to understand free radicals are not good or bad. Bad free radicals are bad, good free radicals are good. Just like bad fats are bad and good fats are good.
Well, it's not so much bad free radicals, you need a certain baseline, so it's excessive free radicals. There's essentially industry conspiracy, and it really is a conspiracy. I mean, if you read the stories, it's just as bad as the drug industry, if not worse. That they're suppressing this information. It's the same damn. Any legitimate research that comes up is defunded and discredited.
That's a fair point. That is happening.
I realized a long time ago that really the way we're going to get this is not by going to the government or trying to change the law. That's not going to work. It has to come from the public. Mm-hmm. Public has to demand this and refuse to, I guess, relinquish their power to these authorities and rely on their belief that that the only damage is thermal damage, and that is absolutely biologically untrue.